Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we have a special unboxing of the TCL Stylus 5G. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a special unboxing of the TCL Stylus 5G. Big shout out to TCL for actually sending me these box of goodies. So you won't actually get this with your TCL Stylus 5G, but I do actually have the box that has the regular unboxing. But I just wanted to shout out TCL for actually sending me this cool thing. I did take a look at it, so I already know what's inside it, but let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, so I already popped this open. So it says, "We're here to get you back to the office in style," and they actually sent a Herschel book bag, a little mini book bag, which is pretty cool. Really like that, and it has a whole bunch of goodies, but you guys are here to see this. This is the TCL Stylus 5G. Now, if you don't want to pick it up, I think it's only for T-Mobile and for Metro by T-Mobile right now, so you do have to wait on that. So let's just check out real quick what they sent me. Whole box of goodies here. So let's just pop this baby open, see what it looks like. So you have a TCL. What is this exactly? Is this a Merce? Man purse or something? We have some coffee. Nice Shift coffee. I'm not sure what that was. You guys could let me know down in the comments. We have a phone holder, and we have a hot mug with the TCL branding on it. So that's pretty dope to see. And on the inside, we do have a nice little stripe here, but definitely cool. So big shout out to TCL once more. Pretty cool. And we have this fancy packaging here. All right, so for the phone itself, this is what it looks like one more time. I'm gonna get a knife. I'll be right back so we can pop this baby open. All right, so we are now back. I brought out little Miggy. Haven't brought him out since the last TCL phone. All right, so here is the specs. If you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. 6.81 inch full HD plus, 50 megapixel on the camera on the back. This has a MediaTek, let me check that out, a MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G. It has an octa-core 2.2 gigahertz. It has a Mali G57 MC2 GPU, and it is running Android 12. All right, so let's just pop this baby open. Here we go, guys. The TCL Stylus 5G. Now, as you guys may or you may not know, the people from LG, they actually stopped making phones, so there's no more Stylo. So this is exactly what you want to pick up. There is another one from Motorola, but I think that the price on that has been going up too much. I think that the TCL price is definitely better than what they will offer over here. So let's just pop this out, see exactly what it is here. So as far as the specs, we have a 6.8 1080p display. This does have a MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G processor, and it has a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. It is running Android 12, and it has a fingerprint scanner mounted on the side. As you can see here, we have a charging brick, and this looks like this is type C to type A. So that's always a plus when they got rid of that old style. But it would be nice to just have the type C to type C, but I'm not complaining about that. All right, and it does have 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and it does have 4 gigabytes of RAM, and it has a micro SD card expansion up to 2 terabytes, which is pretty cool. Now, this color is the Lunar Black. As you can see from here, it does have a similar type of camera setup like the Galaxies from last year. Really nice. It does have a matte finish, and it does kind of have like a glitter type look on there on the back as well. Okay, so you have a low power button, which is always a plus, and I believe that this one is for the fingerprint scanner. So you have your volume up and down. I just powered it up. You have a headphone jack, on the bottom, Type-C port on the bottom as well. This looks like this should be for the speaker. I will find out if it is stereo. This does have a nice little cutout for a speaker, if anything. And here is your S Pen. Now, from first feel, this does feel like the one from the Galaxy Notes. Which one? Galaxy Note 4. Very similar to the one from the Galaxy Note 4. Nice premium gloss, and it has a nice weight to it, way better than the Stylo from LG, way better. Has a nice click as well. And here's how the front screen look, 6.8 inches. Has a nice little chin on the bottom, a little bezel all the way around. So it has a 3-camera setup. So you have the 50 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel super wide angle, and it also has a 2 megapixel macro plus 2 megapixel depth sensor. Wow, so it has a whole bunch of stuff. Fast charge up to 18 watts, which is pretty cool. Bluetooth 5.2, and it does have NFC. Alright, I'm trying to look for what was the front camera setup here. The front camera has a 13 megapixel sensor. It does have a flash. It says it has an LCD flash, and it does capture video 1080p 30 frames per second. Okay, so on the front it does have a 13 megapixel camera, and it says that it has a LCD flash, video capture up to 1080p 30 frames per second for the front. What would be the video for the front? For the rear, you could capture up to 1080p 30 frames per second. So it doesn't do 4K according to my little cheat guide that I have over here. But this is the TCL Stylus 5G. You guys let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I could actually run through the setup while I'm doing my outro here. But if you guys want to pick one up, the link will be down below. And if you guys want to see more videos, we could actually run through this real fast, so we could just go through here. So if you guys are going to pick one up here, let's just see where that fingerprint scanner is. Alright, let's just do a basic password that you guys could remember if you guys ever find it. Alright, so the fingerprint scanner, as I'm doing the setup, because you can't see it because it's so dim here, but I mean it's so bright. Alright, so the fingerprint scanner is right here on the side. Alright, so you can set it up. Alright, so we're setting it up at the current moment. And my lighting is a little bit overexposed, but alright, so we're just setting up the fingerprint scanner. Checking it out, and you can actually add more fingerprints, but I'm just gonna put next, hit skip. You can do face unlocks as well. And we have the NXT Vision, which I leave on, which I had a whole bunch of saturation. This is the way that I like my button display. I'm trying to get an angle on this, but it's a little bit tough since I can't adjust the brightness. Setup is complete. Alright, you could join their little program here. Now let's turn this down a little bit. Oh, this is a different type of UI here. Alright, so let's see how it looks on camera now. Here we go, guys. The TCL Stylus 5G. Just the way it feels in the hand, it kind of gives me like a candy bar type of phone feel here. Really cool. I do have to adjust the UI here. So if you do actually start it straight off the box, this is all the bloatware that you actually get. NXT Vision, some Google apps, and that's about it. And they have about 3 TCL apps right there. Alright guys, so if you guys want to pick one up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the TCL Stylus 5G. Let's just take a look at this camera real quick while we're taking a look here. Pretty quick. Let me check out that focus. Alright, the focus is pretty nice. You guys let me know what you guys think about it. I will have a little bit of an update for you guys. If you guys want to see it after a week, after a month. You guys let me know what do you want to see from this device, and I will try to bring that content to you. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up if you haven't already. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. TCL, baby. We out.